Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Swiftkey keyboard not working after latest update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and Swiftkey keyboard is not working properly, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly, what you need to do is just simply open settings. Then you have to scroll it down and just simply tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shutdown, and from here you have to slide this ladder to the right side, and after that you have to turn on your device after 1 minute and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And once it is there, then what you need to do is just simply check for update. Here you have to open App Store and just simply tap here Swiftkey keyboard and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, then you have to update Swiftkey keyboard and then check whether your palm has been fixed or not. And once it is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings from here, then scroll it down and just simply locate for Swiftkey keyboard from here. It is guys. So from here just simply tap on keyboards, and from here you have to disable full access for 30 or 40 seconds, and then you have to turn it on again and then check whether the palm has been fixed or not. And once it is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on general, just simply scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to look here for Swiftkey. Here it is guys. Just simply tap on offload app. When you tap on offload app, it's showing there reinstall, so you have to reinstall this one and then check whether the palm has been fixed or not. And once it is there, then what you need to do is just simply open second again, then you have to tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply install it. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open setting, then scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset. From here you have to reset your all setting. Put here your passcode, just simply tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data media will be deleted. And after that, restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.